Yay! I've got a course on Kajabi. Welcome back. Andy Brown, never too old to start. This is the next series in your Kajabi tutorial. We're going to make some extra money on Kajabi. You need a platform, NTOTS, Kajabi.com. Get a 28-day free trial. By now you should have one. Tell your friends, by the way, this is too easy. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually show you how to upload your course. So you got something there. We're going to get it going. Get onto your Kajabi platform. In your Kajabi platform and account, so on products, and remember, I am creating one called My First Amazing Course Online. So click it and it opens up. Edit details. Everything should be there from before. But what I want to do now is actually upload the video that I've created for my course. This is the category. I'm going to rename it First Amazing Course and save. Welcome aboard. Let's just use the templated title. Now the video right here is where you're going to upload. Select video. Choose file. Go into your file cabinet and grab the video. Depending on the length, it'll take a little time to upload, and then it's going to render it. This could also take a little bit of time. There it is, and save. Saves automatically. I highly recommend uploading your own file for the thumbnail. Save. And there it is. If you have it as draft, it will not show to anybody. You can put stuff in there that you're not sure about, but publish means it will show to everybody. Preview. And there's what it looks like. And would you believe it's just that easy? I'm telling you, you're in for a treat. Tell all your friends, subscribe. I got a ton of videos and help coming your way. And I'm going to make it real simple and easy for you. A little bit of extra cash, about 6 figures a year or more during retirement. And by the way, it is never too old to start.